Alright guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can open an American Venmo account with ease. For the purpose of this video, let's open a brand new Venmo account. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go and enter Venmo address. So this is Venmo. So for those of you that don't know what Venmo is, it is a simple solution on how to send money between friends and family without being obliged to pay taxes. So let's head here and get Venmo. Once we scroll down, we're going to see this next button. Now enter your details. So now you see that we need a phone number. To get American phone number for verification, we need to go to another website. This website is called SMS Receive Service Free. So this website offers Canadian or United States phone numbers for verification for free. So whether you need Canadian or United States number, you simply select one of these flags and get it. I'm going to select United States. Here you're going to see a bunch of these numbers, and as a proof that this works, we're going to hit any of them. This is the first one from the United States that we clicked, and here you're going to see from who you got a message and what the message looks like. So here we're going to receive this message with the code for our Venmo account. So what are we going to do is that we're going to copy this number and then head back to Venmo and paste it here. Down below, just select that you agree to everything. Now click sign up. If it does not work like this, simply head back and take another one. Okay, let's head back to the website and copy the code. Okay, just copy the code. Head here, paste it and submit code. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened an account on Venmo and I'm on Venmo since March 2021. So here I can log out and then log in, and you're going to see that this account works. Let me now log in again. Okay, you see this is my Venmo account again. So since this is a new account, here you can see that it offers me some of these options. I'm just going to click done, and right now here I'm on Venmo. And now once on the Venmo homepage, we can see that it asks me to invite some friends to join, and here on the left I have these settings from which I can deposit money on it, link my bank account and do all other stuff that Venmo is supposed to do. So this is how you open Venmo account from any country in the world. So I hope this video was helpful to you and that you learned that you can open any American account from anywhere in the world just by using this free service, which is called smsreceivefree.com. So before I quit, I invite you to visit my channel and check my account to see various videos that I have been making for the past couple of months, where I explain you how you can dominate social media, how you can make money online, and some various tips and tricks on how you can drive traffic to anything that you do online. So if you like this video, give me those thumbs up, leave me your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below, and of course stay subscribed and hit that bell notification to stay tuned when I post another video. Until next video.